What's your favorite fair food?
Oh, geez. It's got to be like a mountain of curly fries with cheese.
Okay, we could probably help you out a little bit here with the curly fries.
For sure.
Well, let's see. Okay, so this is, okay, not fries, but still potatoes. Can you accept that?
I'm
Will you
down.
accept that? Okay.
Yeah.
All right, Audra's going to eat this. All right, so tell us what these are.
All right, these are Outlaw Fries from our stand right over here that are fresh cut potatoes with queso, sour cream, bacon, and green onion on top.
I'm down.
You can eat that.
Yeah.
All right, we're going to eat that.
You
You guys
said
are gonna hear some
outlaw,
crunch.
and I was afraid there was going to be like ghost peppers on them.
Outlaw because they're so good it ought to be illegal. Mac and cheese.
Mac and cheese designed to please. I knew there was cheese and
It's all
please
about
in there.
marketing.
Oh, look, they brought us forks. Oh, and there's a whole tray of forks.
and cheese
okay,
designed to
mac
please.
and cheese. Okay, so right here, I know what this is, but so the people can see here, we'll bring it. Will you tell in Audra's microphone what we have here?
Right. This is our eggshell pasta, or the macaroni with 4-blend cheese, special recipe, and buffalo chicken on top. This one has the smoked sausage, and this one has the cooked bacon. So your choice of the 3 different toppings: the buffalo chicken, the
You
sausage,
get to
or
make
the
your
bacon.
own
It's all
dream
good.
mac and cheese, and you're not messing up your own kitchen.
This is
really,
going.
Bug pizza.
Wait, what?
Dude,
It's our bug pizza.
you couldn't have made it like. I can't.
This is amazing, you guys. Okay, if you did not hear this, this is bug pizza. I think we need the Fair Queen for this one.
I think that's a great idea.
We have somebody else who would try it.
Miss Congeniality is going to eat it.
Oh, because.
All right, so here,
my gosh.
I think you need to come tell us. Come here. Point out the different parts of this pizza. Like, this is a heavy protein diet, right? All right, what do we have?
We got the mealworms right here, the ones that are sticking up. Then there we got the crickets, and then we got the scorpion.
Are these raw?
No.
All right, how do you cook these?
Well, you just take like either pepperoni, cheese, and then you take whatever, like if they ask for the mealworm pizza, you give them the mealworms. If you ask for the crickets, if they ask for a scorpion, then we just put them in there. If they ask for all 3, we all put them.
Are they sautéed?
Yeah, they have like different types of seasonings on them.
Do you eat it? Have you eaten it?
Yeah, I've eaten it before.
And?
It's good. It's crunchy.
Okay, so tell us the truth. Do the mealworms and the
lost me
scorpions
at
and the
crunchy.
crickets all just pretty much taste the same when they're on a pizza, or do they each have their own unique taste to them?
They have their own unique taste. Like the mealworms, they have more of a chili flavor, and then the crickets, they just have like kind of taste like pepper, and so does the scorpions.
Come on. I think Sandra Bullock needed
Okay,
to.
okay.
She was
All
interested.
right, we got Miss Congeniality has volunteered. I want you guys to see this. So, like, I wish I had a picture of this. Okay.
Yeah, they already took
Scorpion, right there. Okay, you see the scorpion. You see the mealworms. Look at those crickets arranged so nicely. Like, this is almost like its own little food pyramid here. Look at that.
It's all about presentation, isn't it?
All right, if you guys
How are you
can
feeling?
give us a bunch of likes.
I'm nervous, but
There might
there's
be
nothing
more
to
people
lose.
eating this.
There's nothing to lose.
There's
She
nothing
already
to
has
lose.
the crown.
She's
Like, they're
got
not going to
such a
take it
great
away
attitude.
from her.
That's
I
why
mean-
she's Miss Congeniality.
Okay. So I'm thinking, what do you want the scorpion?
Oh.
That
Take a big old bite.
she's just gonna have a bite. Okay.
Okay.
Miss Congeniality, Marion County State Fair or Marion County Fair. Oh yeah, she got a worm. I saw that. She got a worm.
It's not bad.
It's okay. Is there crunch?
There's definitely crunch.
That leaves us the crickets.
I hate
Yeah,
you.
you have to take a bite now. I took a bite. You guys have to take a bite.
I can't. that just turned.
All right.
Oh.
It's not bad at all.
I'll do it.
I
You want me to
go
go first?
I-
You're not gonna do it at all.
Nope.
Aren't you ketoing? I mean, this is protein.
I hate you.
High fat, high protein.
Still.
Phew, I gotta decide if I want a cricket or a worm.
Yeah, you do.
The cricket. Like, what's gonna have the least impact on my gag reflex? That's kind of where I'm going. Well, the mealworms, like, you know how they're normally soft? They're not soft.
No, they're crunchy.
I'm like sweating. I don't know if it's the buffalo wing or this.
I
Just
need
don't
my
think
camera.
About it. Don't think about it. Just eat it.
It's just pizza.
Just eat it.
There's nothing on this
It's
pizza.
like
It's
pepperoni.
You got this. You got this. Go for it.
Oh my god, I can't. This is. Okay, wait. Which one can I eat? They're
Oh,
both smiling at me, Audra.
Yep. When your food has a face.
Oh god. Hold on. I'll do it. I will do it. I can't. I'm gonna do it.
Close your eyes and
The
think about it.
scorpion crunched under my
It's
teeth.
not bad. Do it quick.
I'm sweating.
Do it quick. Don't think about it. She got the
Just do it.
scorpion tail.
You're right, Katie. This is the best live you've ever done. It is epic, indeed.
Just keep chewing.
See. No. So it's just pizza,
It's just pizza,
right?
Come on, Audra.
No.
Nope, she's out. She's like, you're not paying me enough.
No.
Okay, I did that.
Good job. Thank you, dear.
The pizza
Thank
is
you.
really good.
Yeah.
So my personal choice of
He's
toppings.
like, yeah, I know.
What do you like on your pizza?
Like pepperoni.
Basic.
It's like normal. I mean,
I like basic girl pizza.
cheese.
I like pepperoni. 3 meat. Like
3 meat's a good one.
3 meat's a good one.
Not bugs.
This has 3 meats.
Typically.
3 meats on it.
Fair point.
It's the 3 meat pizza.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh.
So where is this? You guys, it's not gross. It's just
It's
different.
It's the presentation.
It's just different. Like if you buried it, I
psychological.
might not know. So okay, so where can we find this?
We're right up there. You see it, pizza right there.
It does say pizza. Okay, but you also have like pizza for basic girls like me.
Yeah, pizza. We got pepperoni, cheese, sausage. Then we got our pizza on a stick. Then we got our stuffed pizza.
You have seen the Outlaw potatoes. You have seen the make it to please it, cheese it,
the
mac and cheese
mac
to
and
please,
cheese to please.
mac and cheese to please. That's the first booth we went to on Saturday, and this is actually the one that my husband got. I think. I mean, this is a fresh one, but
Buffalo chicken.
buffalo chicken, like
It-
the obvious choice, and then the bacon.
Yes.
So they have lots of other stuff over there. Okay, and now. Oh yeah, and then these guys, 3 meat pizza.
These guys.
These
when you
guys.
have to refer to
I know.
food,
That one was
as
smiling at me
guys.
before I ate him. I think his like thorax is stuck in my throat. I
Would
do
you
know my
like
bug parts. I was in entomology in 4-H when I was a kid.
you were.
I was.
I never knew that.
That's the study of insects.
I know.
Yes.